Greeting, and welcome guys. In this step, we gonna show how to create slider with layout 8 and publish the slider on the page. Step 1, log into your website, go to the Slider Factory Pro menu page. Click on the Create button, under the Layout 8 slider banner. First, give the name of the slider, under the slider title text box, it is optional. Now, click on Add New Image Slides button, to add the image slides, into the sliders. You can change slide position by using drag and drop functionality. You can add slide title, description, and SEO alt text in each slide. Using width setting, you can set width of the slider in pixels or percentage. Using height setting, you can set height of the slider in pixels or percentage. Autoplay speed, control the slideshow speed. Slider running direction, set slide running order in slideshow. Enable or disable pause on mouse hover. Enable or disable responsiveness. Width and height, recalculation on window resize respective different screen layouts. Use cloning, if your slides are too few or number of selected images are less than 6. Gap between slides, setting to put gap between slides. Slide order by setting, allow to set the loading order of the slides, into the slider. Using custom CSS setting, you can apply own design on slider elements. Click on Save Slider button, and copy the generated slider shortcode. Go to the Pages menu page, and click on the Add New, to create a page. Give a title, for the newly created page. Add the copied shortcode, into shortcode block. And publish the page. Click on View Page button, to see the preview of the slider, on the page. Thanks for watching the Slider Factory Pro Layout 8 video documentation. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates. Also, share the video on social platforms with your friends.